Hi guys, welcome to Miss McCabe's YouTube channel. I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a couple weeks. It has been super crazy. We're getting ready for semester exams. So today I want to share with you how to make soap, whether it be for a Christmas gift or a fun lab. There are some hazards and precautions that I recommend you take care of. Okay, first of all, you do need goggles. And if you can do this outside or in a well-ventilated area, that's a great idea. One, because the fumes are extremely hazardous. And two, you're working with not a very high molarity, but a relatively high molarity sodium hydroxide. And if this gets on your skin, okay, I've got it in this container here, it will burn, it will cause a rash. Okay, so if by chance any of this does get on your skin, wash it for 15 minutes, run it under cold water, okay, for at least 15 minutes, okay? Also, once you've done that, make sure you keep checking on that rash because it will produce a rash and be very irritated for a day, okay? So keep that in mind. So the first thing when you're starting out is you want a container. I'm just using plastic containers here. I like the star-shaped, so that means my soap will have a star shape when we're done. Okay, just a regular plastic. And first, when you're making soap, soap is always made with some sort of oil, whether it be a plant-based oil such as your soybean oil, canola oil, peanut oil. Here I've got olive oil, so that's what I'll be using today. And then you're going to want some sort of solution that is like a fat-based, okay? So I've got the sodium hydroxide and stearic acid that we'll be adding here in a bit. Like I said, I've got just regular olive oil. I've got my essential oils. I've got 9 molarity sodium hydroxide. I've got my stearic acid ready to go and some food coloring for color. So let's get started. The first thing is you need to preheat your oil, whatever oil you're using, to 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is perfect for your oil. Okay, then after it hits 35 degrees Celsius, which mine's already there, you can go ahead and pour out 10 milliliters into your graduated cylinder. Okay. Once you've poured 10 milliliters in, you're going to go ahead and pour that into your beaker, or in my case, my plastic cup. And I'm just going to do 1 scent for each. So I'm going to start out with a lemon scent, a lemon's essential oil. And I'm just going to put 1 to 2 drops of essential oil in there. Okay, shake it a couple times. It smells very lemony. Okay, so this is what I'm using. I just went to Walmart, got the essential oils blend for lemon. I've got eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is great for migraines. I've got tea tree oil that keeps away a lot of critters. It makes your hair feel silky smooth, your skin silky smooth. Also, tea tree oil keeps away like the head lice and the fleas. Okay, just a weird fact. And then I've also got cinnamon. Okay, then I'm going to add 3 milliliters of the sodium hydroxide. All right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stir that. You're going to stir this for about 20 minutes. Yes, it's quite a long time, but you're just trying to get that chemical reaction started. Okay, that's all you're wanting to do is get that chemical reaction going, and stirring increases the reaction rate. So we'll come back. Okay, so now that it's been about 10 minutes, okay, it's starting to get a little opaque in color. It's not clear anymore, all right, kind of getting the consistency of liquid soap. So then I'm going to take some food coloring. I'm going to add just a few drops of food coloring to it. It'll turn out like pink since I'm using the red. I have just a pinch of stearic acid. That is for hardness. It hardens up your soap. So after a few days of curing or after a week of curing, you don't still have liquid soap. Okay. And you're going to go ahead and stir it until it gets to the color you want. If you want to add a few more drops in, by all means, go right ahead. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I can sit this on the counter for a couple weeks and let it cure, let it harden over the weekend, and then I can just pop it right out of the dish. Okay, so I hope you really like my tutorial, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please like and share this video. Thank you.